everybody, welcome back to another vlog. Hi baby. We literally just got back from dropping off Amaya at school. I literally just threw back my robe and my bonnet on. You guys, I'm so tired. I'm enjoying my tea. Let me show you guys my mug. So I'm here enjoying my coffee in my Nightmare Before Christmas mug. Sorry, not coffee, I'm having tea. I'm actually using the pumpkin spice creamer with just regular black tea. It tastes so good. I'm just gonna relax a little bit. I have an appointment, well, a telephone appointment at 10:30, so I'm gonna like slowly take my time to get ready. We don't have much planned for today just because I do have to pick up Amaya after school for 2:30. We might go to Home Sense today. I don't know yet, depending on how I feel, because I am a wee bit tired. But right now I'm just gonna fill in my daily planner just on a few tasks that I have to do today. I also started streaming again on BIGO. I had taken August off, so I have to do that today, and I'm trying to get that all done before I have to pick up Amaya. So we got a little bit to do, not that much. Say hi. Look what she did to her pants. She colored on her pants. That wasn't nice. Just left Bath and Body Works. They were having a sale. It's buy one candle and get one free. So I bought some goodies, which I'm going to show you guys once we get home. I have 8 minutes before I have to leave the mall to go and pick up Amaya, so I'm quickly gonna run into Lush and see what they have. I haven't been in Lush for years, so I'm kind of excited to see what they have for the fall season. And I look a bit crazy, you guys, don't mind that. I'm a little bit tired. My phone appointment today took a little bit longer than expected, so I didn't really have enough time to kind of get like all dolled up. I forgot how like magical Lush is. We're leaving the mall right now. It's 2:03, so I have a bit of time to go and get Amaya. So we're gonna go rush to the car, go get her, and then it's not a day out if we don't get Starbucks, so we're gonna go grab that too, and then I'm gonna show you guys the goodies that I got today. Good morning, everybody. Well, it's actually a few days later and it's the afternoon. I have a lot of catching up to do with you guys, so I want to show you the things that I got from Bath and Body Works and Lush, and then I also want to let you guys know that I got a job. Yesterday was my first day of training. I wanted to bring you guys along, but due to the nature of my job and for privacy reasons, I can't vlog anything, but I can let you guys know what I'm doing. So obviously it's a work from home job. Basically I book appointments for COVID-19 vaccinations. Yeah, that's literally all I can tell you guys. Now I want to show you guys what I got, but first I also need to show you guys my nails because I did some fall DIY nails. So these are my nails for the spooky season. So guys, I tried really hard to DIY these. I think I might end up going to the nail salon to get them professionally done, but for now I'm just gonna rock these. So these are what they look like. From afar it doesn't look too bad, but like the lines were super hard. I think next time when I try this, I'm gonna do them with the press-on nails already on my finger opposed to doing them when they're off. But yeah, these are my nails for now. Okay, so I quickly want to show you guys what we got from Bath & Body and Lush. So I'm going to start with Lush first. I only got one item. Guys, I forgot how magical Lush is. So I got, I don't break it. Guys, I got this adorable pumpkin bath bomb. She smells so yummy. I can't wait to take a bubble bath. So I got that from Lush. If I had a little bit more time, I would have looked around more, but I literally had like 8 minutes before I had to go pick up Amaya. So we got that. And then I got 2 items from Bath & Body Works. They were having a sale, buy one, get one free. I only picked up 2 candles. Sorry guys, I'm running out of breath. I'm running out of breath from doing my hair, aka just putting my wig on. So, oh my god, this bag smells so good. So the first candle I got was the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, and you guys, don't mind this hand. I did this hand and my nails fell off, so I have to re-put them on. So like, we're just gonna look at this hand. Oh guys, it smells so good, but this is what she looks like. If you like sweet smelling cameras, wow. If you like sweet smelling candles, definitely recommend this beauty. I cannot wait to burn her. To be honest with you, I was waiting to show you guys so that I can burn them. So once I'm done doing this clip, I'm definitely going to start burning them. And then the second one is called Pumpkin Cupcake. Oh, guys! First of all, can we just talk about the packaging? I love pink. But this smells so good. It smells like fall. It smells like fall, baked goods, happiness, everything in one. I'm so happy I picked this up. I've seen so many YouTubers and I've seen this all over Instagram. I'm like, oh my god, I need to pick this up. And I love sweet smelling scents. This, perfect. So that's literally all I got for my little shopping pick-me-up fall spree. It is roughly 1 o'clock. I'm gonna go get lunch ready for the kids. What else do I have to do today? I also need to stream on BIGO. Like I don't know if I mentioned this. I think I might have mentioned it in a few clips back, but I did take August off just because life happened and it was just a little bit hard for me to stream. Now that things are kind of getting back into groove, I am streaming again and I'm required to do 30 hours for the month. So I break that up to 2 hours a day. So I'm hoping to get my 2 hours in. Because of my new job, I'm full-time. So I have today and tomorrow off, and then I'm working Tuesday straight to Sunday. So I'm trying to get like as much filming, pre-filming, and any little like knickknacks that I need to do done before I start work, because I know I'm gonna be tired because we're 7 months pregnant. But yeah, I'm gonna go feed the kids and I'll check in with you guys later. One more thing. Okay, so from Lush, I forgot to show you guys, they also gave me a sample of, I believe this is called pumpkin spice soap. So I'm excited to use that as well. Just like a regular bar soap. So I forgot to show you guys that. And it smells divine. Now I gotta go feed my kids because I can hear them downstairs and they sound hungry. I want to be there and baby there. Hello friends, I just wanted to come on here and edit the vlog. I'm editing and I realized that I didn't add an outro, so I just want to thank everybody for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and if you did like this vlog, please give me a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!